is a Maytag dryer control board. The customer, she said the dryer doesn't work, and she makes some search about the problem online, and it came with, like, people mentioned the capacitor, these resistors, and she said someone mentioned that to warm the board, and she did that. The dryer started working. Next day, try to get it to work. Didn't happen. Yeah, I like that, because when the customer do some search or bring you the good information, it's make the work more easy. And you know, if the board need to be warm up for the device to turn on, the likely is a capacitor. So these capacitors, they don't look like, you can see it's not that. Yeah, the capacitor doesn't look swollen, a little bit on the top. This resistor, I test them, they test good. So 833 ohm. Already disconnect, just to be sure the value of it, and we compare it with the other ones. 827, 826, 823. So the resistors are good. Yeah, look like it's a overheat here. But when I check online for the similar board pictures, all of them, they have this overheat part here. But this one is a lot of overheat. But let's fix the problem. Yeah, I'm gonna take these capacitors, so there is just 3 of them, and we measured. Already get ready the replacement capacitors. Well, let's check it. Well, this one is a 3300 and 16 volt. This one 1000 microfarad, 50 volt. This one is a 4735 volt. Before we test the capacitor and this tester, we need to discharge. So 49 microfarad, 3.5 ohm. Okay, let's check the replacement. So this one is a 43 microfarad, but the ESR is a point something ohm. Alright, let's test the other one. So this one is a 48 microfarad, but the ESR is high. The microfarad is good, the ESR is high. Well, this is the one that I think that's causing the problem. Yep. So this is supposed to be a 3300, but we have just 123, and the ASR is very high, 8 ohm. Definitely this capacitor is bad. And this one is a 1000 microfarad. 790, and the ASR is a 1.3. Yeah, definitely this one is better as well. Alright, let's check the replacement capacitors. So the capacitor should be like in the range of 10%. If it is 1000 microfarad, should be something over 900 microfarad is good. This is 971, then the ASR is 0 ohm. So definitely this 1000 microfarad is good. This is 3300 microfarad. Yeah, so is 3600 microfarad is higher than what's the capacitor rating on. That's good, and the ASR is a 0 ohm. So yeah, let's replace these capacitors. We pay attention to the polarity of the capacitor. Resolder that resistors because maybe there is a bad solder point. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.